Welcome to Constantino Bros Hotels, Pioneer Beach Hotel. Chinese braised belly pork. Prep, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 3 hours. Serves, 4. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 60 milliliters of rice or cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 star anise, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, 100 milliliters of rice wine or sherry, 1 kilogram of boneless pork belly. Method: preheat the oven to 160 degrees. Mix the soy, vinegar, honey, spices and rice wine and pour into a shallow baking dish that will hold the pork snugly. Add the pork and cover the dish with foil. Cook for 2.5 hours. Adding a splash of water if the sauce looks like it might evaporate. Take the foil off and turn the oven up as hot as it will go to crisp the skin and reduce the sauce. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. It will take about 30 minutes. Culinary Art by Constantino Bros Hotels, Paphos, Cyprus.